Ever been stuck abroad, needing cash but only having a prepaid card? Let's face it, traditional banks aren't exactly known for their flexibility, especially when it comes to international transactions. Fees, exchange rates, a million forms, it's enough to make your head spin. That's where fintech companies like Monese come in. Promising a mobile-first approach to banking, they've grabbed the attention of many on the move. But with all the bells and whistles of a digital bank, one question lingers: can you actually get your hands on physical cash with Monese? In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of Monese and cash. We'll explore whether Monese accepts cash deposits, how you can withdraw money, and the best ways to manage your finances while on the go with a mobile bank. So, buckle up and get ready to conquer those cash woes. Monese, a mobile banking revolution. Monese positions itself as a challenger bank, aiming to disrupt the traditional financial landscape. Their core offering is a mobile app that allows you to open an account, manage your finances, and send and receive money, all from your smartphone. Sounds convenient, right? But with convenience often comes limitations. Traditional banks generally have a network of ATMs and branches where you can deposit and withdraw cash. So, how does a mobile-first bank like Monese handle cash? The cash verdict: Monese doesn't accept direct deposits. Here's the thing: Monese currently doesn't accept direct cash deposits. This means you can't physically walk into a store or partner location and add physical bills to your account. Female sign. Now, before you hit that unsubscribe button, there's a silver lining. Monese offers several alternative ways to add funds to your account, making it easy to keep your digital wallet topped up. Topping up your Monese account, going cashless. Here are some popular methods for adding money to your Monese account. Bank transfers. This is the most common method. You can link your external bank account to Monese and initiate a transfer from your usual bank app or online banking portal. Easy and familiar. Ballot box with check. Card top-ups. Got a debit or credit card? You can use it to top up your Monese account directly within the app. Just make sure you understand any associated fees from your card issuer. Salary direct deposit. Want to ditch the traditional paycheck and embrace the digital age? Set up your employer to directly deposit your salary into your Monese account. Instant access to your hard-earned cash, minus the wait at the bank. Taking out cash, befriending the ATM. Alright, so you've got money in your Monese account, but what about getting your hands on some physical bills? Fear not. Monese allows you to withdraw cash using ATMs. Here's how it works. Monese card. You'll receive a Monese debit card when you open your account. This card works at millions of ATMs worldwide that display the MasterCard or Maestro logos. ATM fees. Be aware that Monese charges a fee for exceeding a certain number of free ATM withdrawals per month. Check their website or app for the latest fee structure to avoid any surprises. Cash hacks for the mobile banking mavens. Now that you know the basics, let's explore some clever ways to manage your cash needs with Monese. Plan your withdrawals. If you know you'll need cash abroad, factor in ATM fees and plan your withdrawals accordingly. This will help you minimize costs and avoid unnecessary charges. Utilize cashback offers. Many stores and supermarkets offer cashback on debit card purchases. Take advantage of these deals to withdraw some extra cash while making everyday purchases. Embrace card payments. The beauty of a mobile bank is the ease of card payments. Use your Monese debit card whenever possible to avoid ATM fees and keep your cash reserves for emergencies. Monese and cash. The final takeaway. While Monese doesn't accept direct cash deposits, they offer a variety of ways to add funds and withdraw cash through ATMs. By planning your withdrawals and utilizing alternative methods like card payments and cashback offers, you can navigate the world of mobile banking with ease, ensuring you have the financial flexibility you need, both online and offline. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.